Welcome to Alpine Property Management, your partner in streamlining property upkeep and maximizing the value of your investment portfolio. Today, we delve deep into the world of property maintenance, unveiling our efficient solutions that revolutionize the way you approach property upkeep. Property maintenance is a crucial aspect of property management, significantly impacting tenant satisfaction, property value, and overall investment returns. However, property upkeep can often be time-consuming, costly, and complex, posing a challenge for property owners and investors. That's where Alpine Property Management comes in, offering efficient maintenance solutions that not only streamline the process but also enhance the value of your property. Our team of experienced professionals utilizes the latest technology and industry best practices to deliver maintenance services that are not just timely but also cost-effective. From routine inspections to emergency repairs, our comprehensive maintenance solutions cover every aspect of property upkeep, ensuring your property is always in top condition. We understand the importance of preventative maintenance and employ a proactive approach to identify and address potential issues before they escalate. Our streamlined processes and attention to detail ensure that every maintenance task is completed efficiently, minimizing downtime and maximizing tenant satisfaction. But our commitment to efficiency extends beyond maintenance solutions. Our strategic approach to property management ensures your investment portfolio is always optimized for maximum returns. At Alpine, we believe in transparency and provide you with real-time updates on all maintenance activities, giving you peace of mind and full control over your property. But our services don't stop at maintenance. Remember our We Buy Houses initiative? If you're considering selling, we're here to ensure a smooth and profitable transaction. We handle every aspect of the selling process, from property valuation to closing the deal, ensuring you receive the best value for your property. Alpine Property Management is your gateway to streamlined property upkeep, where efficiency meets innovation and success is guaranteed. Dive into the world of Alpine Property Management and discover how our efficient maintenance solutions can transform your approach to property upkeep. Visit alpinekansascity.com to explore our range of services and learn how we can assist you in streamlining your property maintenance processes. Engage with our community, absorb insights from industry experts, and let's embark on a journey where property upkeep is not just manageable, it's a strategic advantage. In the dynamic world of real estate investment, staying ahead means not just maximizing returns but also minimizing hassles. And that's precisely what Alpine's efficient maintenance solutions achieve, minimizing the hassles of property upkeep while maximizing your investment's potential. Our dedicated team of professionals is committed to ensuring your property is always in pristine condition, ready to impress potential tenants and retain existing ones. We understand that a well-maintained property is more than just an aesthetic appeal. It's a promise of quality and commitment to tenant satisfaction. Our streamlined approach to maintenance ensures that every task, no matter how small or large, is addressed promptly and effectively. From landscaping and cleaning to plumbing and electrical repairs, our comprehensive solutions cover all aspects of property upkeep. We pride ourselves on our ability to anticipate and address maintenance needs proactively, preventing minor issues from becoming major problems. Our commitment to efficiency is evident in our use of state-of-the-art technology and innovative methods, ensuring that every maintenance task is completed to the highest standard. But our approach to property upkeep extends beyond just maintenance solutions. Remember our We Buy Houses initiative? If you're considering selling, we're here to assist you in every step of the process. From property valuation to closing the deal, we handle every detail, ensuring you receive the maximum value for your property. Alpine Property Management stands as a beacon of innovation and efficiency in the property management industry, where streamlined property upkeep is not just a service, it's a commitment to your success. We invite you to experience the Alpine difference, where property upkeep is not just streamlined, it's a strategic advantage. Visit our website, alpinekansascity.com, to explore our comprehensive range of services and discover how we can assist you in achieving your investment goals. Engage with our community, learn from industry experts, and let's shape a future where property upkeep is not just manageable, it's a pillar of your investment success. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, ensuring you're always updated with the latest in property management insights and trends. Thank you for considering Alpine Property Management. Our promise to you is clear: to provide efficient maintenance solutions, optimize your investments, and ensure your journey with us is unparalleled. Here's to a future of streamlined property upkeep, maximized returns, and a partnership that promises growth and success. We eagerly await the opportunity to work with you, to showcase our maintenance expertise, and to set you on the path to real estate investment success. Remember, with Alpine by your side, property upkeep is not just a process. It's a strategic advantage, a promise of quality, and a pathway to success. We thank you for your time, your trust, and your consideration. Here's to forging a lasting partnership, achieving milestones, and redefining the world of property investment. Alpine Property Management, where property upkeep is simplified, investments are optimized, and success is a shared journey. Reach out, engage with us, and let's set the stage for a future where property upkeep is efficient, effective, and perfectly aligned with your investment goals. Let's navigate the world of property maintenance together, crafting a future of clarity, growth, and unparalleled success. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, in the realm of property management and investment, Alpine is your trusted partner in success.